I've got an Evertaut Seat in, and I thought this was going to be a really straightforward job, so I wasn't going to bother videoing it, but I've come across problems, so I'll show you what's going on with it. So what I've done is I've started stripping it. I've taken the cover off, so there's the cover, so that's off it. I've taken the cotton felt off, and I've taken this off the top of here as well. So what I've ended up with is the base with a spring unit. Now the issues I've got with this now is it has a mesh on here, and you can see the mesh is all broken away, and these bits here, there's all these bits, and that's all broken off this mesh here. Now the big issue with this is what it really needs is a new one of these, but to do that I would have to go and get one of these made somewhere. Now the way this is done is I've got a roll of this mesh here, so this is the same mesh that's on there now, and what would normally happen is the springs individually would be actually twisted, wound into the mesh. So you start off with the coil of the spring, turn it and twist it in until it's on there, and then you do the next one and the next one. Once they're onto that mesh, what happens then is this metal frame and the laths are fastened to the springs. But because that's already fastened to these springs, I can't put new mesh on the top of this. So the only way I can actually do this is I will put some spring canvas over the top of this. It's a very, very heavy duty Hessian. It's called spring canvas, so that'll go over the top of there. But the other issue I've found is this seat is going down like that. Now what it should do is go down evenly. It's doing that. So what's happened is here is two pieces of metal. Now they should be welded together. You can see them there. You can actually see the broken weld. Now I can weld. I've got welding equipment I can weld, but the thing is with this, it's spring steel. And the thing is with it being sprung steel, it's very, very difficult to weld. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to pull that piece together and I'm just butt it up, and then I've got a tool here, and this I hook over the edge. So I've hooked that over the join. So instead of welding, I've now joined that together. So now I've done that, I can get the spring canvas over the top of this, get all new packing on it, but I'm doing it all traditionally, so it'll all be traditional packing, and then I can get it upholstered.